Now it's finally done. Look at this. Check this out. It created the entire calendar that we could actually download right now and sell this. That is incredible. I'm going to show you how you can have Claude AI build you an entire one-person $1 million business online. I'm going to give you the step-by-step how this business works. I'm going to give you the prompts to put into Claude, and I'm going to show you the actual math that I use for my own $1 million business online. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and I made 7 figures after spending 7 years in prison selling affiliate and digital products using the same structure with paid ads that I'm going to show you here in a second. Now, there's a lot of gurus on the internet that'll feed you a bunch of BS. I'm not one of them. I'm going to show you transparent, actual numbers, math, what actually matters. All right, now let's get into it. First, let me show you how this system works to be completely faceless, to work maybe an hour per day, be leveraged, and make you money in the background online. We build this entire system on the internet, and now you can actually have AI build it for you. And before we dive in, I want to give you an example. I want you to think about going to Best Buy or any type of electronic store or Walmart or something like that, and I want you to think of the experience. You ever go there with your shopping cart and you have a plan on what you're going to buy, a TV, a computer, a laptop, an iPad, or something like that, and then what do? You go to the checkout to go buy the thing that you planned on buying. Now, what do you notice at the checkout? You notice that a place like Best Buy, Walmart, they have like candy, and they have like snacks, and they have magazines, and they have all this stuff at the checkout counter that you didn't come to buy. And you may be wondering, why would a store like Best Buy have a bunch of candy at the checkout? Well, any smart entrepreneur, marketer, especially online marketer, understands what those are. Those are what we call order bumps. Sometimes we call them upsells. And the goal is to take a customer who's already spending money and get them to pay as much money as possible on their way out of the store. So when you came in with the thought in your head, okay, I'm only going to spend $150, by the time you're done shopping, you spend like $400. That's exactly the system we have to set up online to attract the right customers who are going to pay us more and more over time. And a lot of people, when they first start off with an online business, they don't know what to sell. They see all these gurus and they're saying, start an Etsy store, start a print on demand, start all these stupid things. As I always tell my clients, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Flat out, period, point blank, the number one best thing to sell is digital product or affiliate products. Why? Because they're basically invisible. They're 100% profit, no overhead. It doesn't take anything to print them out, to make them with a 3D printer, or have someone in China make them or ship them or anything like that. They're not physical products, right? They're things like ebooks, PDFs, courses, audiobooks, something like that. And you can either make them yourself now with AI, which takes like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or you can be an affiliate for products like this and you can get a percentage of the sales. Sometimes they'll even give you 100% of the sale. So let me show you exactly how we set up a system like this to be almost completely hands off and be bringing you income every single day. Now, what I like to do with this system is I like to start with paid advertising. Usually I use Facebook ads, but I do dabble in Google ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads. It doesn't really matter where you run paid ads, but you're going to pay for ads. So I'm going to pay $1 to get someone to click on my ad. And then from there, I'm going to have a very low cost, very cheap, very accessible, and more importantly than anything, it's an impulse purchase, right? It's a cheap, small product, something like a PDF, a cheat sheet, a checklist, a bundle of, templates, something like that. That's very easy and quick and fast for a customer to see the ad, want the thing, and then buy it. Now, just like in our example with Best Buy, Walmart, on their way out, they actually have these little check boxes called order bumps. And these order bumps, you can actually charge them even more for other products on the checkout page itself. So think about it. On their way out, they just bought a book or something like that, and they can also buy the audio version of the book or recordings of something or like templates or other cheat sheets and checklists, all kinds of stuff that you can sell them with these order bumps, and you can charge even more than this initial $7, maybe a $17 bump or a $27 bump. This is just like Walmart, just like Best Buy, where we can ask for more at the point of sale. That way, each customer is more valuable to us when they go purchase something. Now, we're not done yet, because once they purchase that first part from that first page, they're then taken to a second page called an OTO or an upsell. OTO stands for one-time offer. Now, this is going to be a slightly more expensive product, right? It's for the more serious buyers. Maybe they want like a full mini course or some kind of an affiliate offer, something that is going to really, really help solve the problem that they're trying to solve. Think of someone going into a tool store. They may buy the hammer for $9 or something like that, but then on the next page or at the checkout, the cashier might say, hey, you know, you can actually get the entire toolbox that has your hammers, that has your screwdrivers, it has screws, it has all these amazing things for $97, and it has everything that you'll ever need. So they've actually expanded upon the first purchase. Now, not everybody's going to take this upsell, but you don't need everybody to take the upsell. Even if 10% of people take the upsell, you've still now squeezed even more income from your buyer. And again, being that it's a digital product that it only exists in cyberspace, you didn't have to put in any extra work or anything to make this product. Now on the next page, we're not done yet. We can actually ask for another sale. This is where we ask for another one-time offer. This can be something, again, like an affiliate offer, something that's a little higher priced. We can keep going. In theory, I've seen systems like this that go all the way to 5, 6 different upsells. I don't go that far. I only do 2, and I found that that works for me, and I average about $30,000 per month by doing this. So just think of it like this. We paid $1 for ads. Let's say we paid $100 for ads with the whole goal of being faceless, anonymous online, selling digital stuff, selling affiliate stuff. And as long as we make as much money as possible from each customer, the ads are not only paying for themselves, but we're even making a little profit. So let's say in this example, we're making a 1.5x return. What that means is if I spend $100 for the ads, I make back $150. Now ask yourself this question. If I told you there's a magic machine somewhere where every time you spend $100 in it and put $100 in this machine, $150 would shoot back out at you, how many of you guys would do that? Absolutely, right? But you might be thinking, well, that doesn't seem like a whole lot of profit. Why don't I do drop shipping or some of these other stupid things online? Let me show you where the real profit comes from, because you're not seeing this three-dimensionally. You see, each buyer actually goes ahead and becomes part of your email list. So they'll receive ongoing emails after that first purchase. Obviously, the first email may be, hey, welcome. Thank you for your purchase. Here it is. It's awesome. Check it out. But you can actually legally keep emailing them. They're now on your subscriber list, right? And you probably have been in this position before. You bought something online and then you keep getting emails from the damn place, right? Well, if you're a smart marketer, you're going to keep offering them new products, new services, new stuff that you find along the way that will help them in whatever they're trying to do. So just like the person that bought the hammer and bought the toolbox, you might buy new tools that are coming out. You might buy new packages of screws or whatever. Obviously, in this scenario, that's a physical product. We're talking about digital products, but you get the idea. Over time, we're increasing a number called LTV, which stands for lifetime value. Over time, this list of buyers, this email list that you've accumulated, you can continue to pitch them new offers and new things and new stuff that you're just thinking of. You only paid for the ad one time. The ad paid for itself, you made some profit, and now anything that you send to these buyers, any new offers, any new digital products, new affiliate products, that all becomes pure profit. So as long as the lifetime value is 3 times, 4 times, 5 times more than what you originally spent, you have a highly profitable online business. If you want to get to 7 figures, all you have to do is make more offers. So I want you to think about this. When I wake up in the morning, if I want to make more money, I just come up with a new offer and then I send it to my email list. Just like that. If my daughter's car breaks down and she needs money for a new one, I send an offer to my email list. That's it. That's the simplicity of having an online business and doing it the right way. And now I'm going to show you how Claude AI can actually build these for you. So you don't have to be some kind of a genius. You don't have to know how to make the products yourself. AI can actually build this stuff for you. So just imagine me years ago, I had to do this manually. Now AI can build products for you in any kind of industry, in fishing, in golfing, in relationships, anything you want to pick to sell online. AI can now develop products for you and build these pages for you. So I'm actually going to give you guys this prompt down below to plug into Claude, but I'm going to show you how it works. You can see here my niche. You're going to insert niche and my ideal customer, okay, and who they are, which is who they are, what they want, and what's stopping them. You're going to insert whatever is in these brackets, okay? So if you're just starting off, no big deal. Just play with this. Just mess around with this. And let me explain what I mean by niche. Like I mentioned before, fishing, relationships, wealth. Maybe you want to sell stock advice or make a stock newsletter or something. Anything where you feel like you know a little bit more than the average person, that's a great business to start online. And then you just think of your ideal customer. Is it women over 40 who have a few extra pounds? Is it, men reaching retirement age and they were an Army veteran or something like that? Just think of who your best customer would be to serve, because this prompt, once you plug it into AI, it's going to create a great system for you and it even tell you what products you need to sell. So we're just going to highlight this entire prompt here. We're going to copy it and we're going to go over to Claude. And we're going to paste it in. But obviously, you want to make sure that you swap out these brackets. So let's go niche. Let's go fishing. And for ideal customer, let's go men reaching retirement age. And so that's it. When we hit enter in here, it's going to give us the exact map of the exact system that I just showed you. It's going to show you exactly what needs to be in there. So now you can see it's thinking, it's coming up with the ideas, it's coming up with the pages, it's coming up with the product ideas, all that good stuff. So you can see how cool this is. It actually came up with the entire idea on its own, and it drew an outline of what it would look like. So the cold traffic ad comes from Facebook or YouTube, which I told you I dabbled in with YouTube as well. It does really, really well for ads. Then you got your front end SLO. SLO stands for self-liquidating offer, because like we talked about, the whole point of selling these cheap things up front is to pay for the ad, right? I call it the hedge funnel for anyone who's not new to my channel. I've called it the hedge funnel before, but you can see it even talks about the order bumps, species specific spot maps pack. That sounds cool. And then the OTO number one is going to be a $97 done for you 12-month trip planner. If they say no to that, upsell number two is going to be $37 single plan. Now, this is a little bit off. The AI messed up a little bit here, but I'd clean it up. That doesn't mean it misunderstood. It's not an OTO2. This should be a downsell. So basically it's saying if they say no to the $97 upsell, it would send them to another page where just because they said no, it's going to give them a slightly cheaper option and make it a single plan instead of a 12-month plan. I love the idea, but it's just not structured the right way. So I would fix it up a little bit. And now here's a magic number that we're looking for as marketers. It's AOV, which stands for average order value. As long as the average order value, which is on average how much a customer spends, remember the Best Buy candy and snacks and stuff at the checkout, as long as the average customer is spending more than the amount that we're spending in ads, we have true financial freedom. That's all you need to do. A lot of these gurus, they overcomplicated everything. They make everything a grind and you gotta work super hard. If you build the right system, the system works for you, okay? So it goes into more detail about what each offer is. Here's the front end again. It describes exactly what it is, who it's for, how it works, what's included in the product, right? Then it talks about the order bumps, etc., right? The one-time offer. Again, it says it here, downsell. So it did it right on the description, but it's not a second upsell. It's a downsell to the first upsell. But that's neither here nor there. That's something that can be fixed pretty easily by telling it, hey, you made a mistake here. So AI is not perfect, but this is excellent. This gives me a great starting point. So say if I was really good at fishing knowledge and whatever, this actually helps to create this, because yes, AI is going to create all this stuff for you, but AI is just like any other tool. It's just like a car. It's going to take you where you tell it to go. So the more knowledgeable you are about a specific topic, the easier it is going to be to have the AI make the products for you. And then it talks about ROAS math. What is ROAS? It means return on ad spend. So you can see that it calculates that if you do this right, your return on ad spend is 3.15. So if I put $100 in, I should make back $315. Now we're not going to go in super depth because we'll be here forever and this will be like an hour-long video. But let's take one of the pieces that it talks about creating and have AI create that part. Let's highlight this 12-month seasonal fishing calendar that it suggests to sell, and let's have it make this part. So I typed in create this PDF for me, and I highlighted the part that it talked about with the 12-month seasonal fishing calendar. Let's hit enter and have it create that PDF. Now, if you want to sit down with me and install my very own system, which helped me get to 7 figures online, that means that I give you all of my products, all of my funnels, all that stuff with affiliate marketing, digital marketing already programmed in there, then book a call down below and let's talk about installing a done for you business. All right, so I'm going to fast forward to the part where the PDF is done so you can see how this works. Now it's finally done. Look at this. Check this out. It created the entire calendar that we could actually download right now and sell this. That is incredible. Look at how obviously we can ask it to make it look prettier and stuff like that. You can edit it around, but I have no graphic design skills. I've never built my own PDF ever in my life or anything like that. But look how nice this came out. And this is a sellable product that we can put out there into the world immediately. Now, the other part to this is, remember our system, our website, we call it sales funnels in the marketing world. Where do we put this funnel? Where do we put this website? How do we build it? Now, technically, Claude can actually build you a funnel. It can build you a website. It could do a million different things, but it's not very reliable. So I like to pay for some software that actually is built for building funnels. And the one that I like to use now is called Go High Level. So these are some examples of some of the funnels that I have built in Go High Level. Like here's one, right? And the difference between a website and a funnel, if you've never heard the term before, is very simple. A website is something like Amazon where you have a million choices and a million buttons. A funnel is a very simple page with one option, right? You want someone to go to this specific place. So if you look at my sales page here for one of my digital products, you can see it talks about the product and there's only one option, which is to click the button and go purchase the product. That's it. That's the difference with a funnel. And another reason that I like using Go High Level is because Go High Level has this feature now where it connects directly to Claude. So Claude AI can actually go through into your Go High Level account and do all kinds of editing work. It can build you funnels. It can manage all your contacts, your emails. You can do everything from the Claude freaking interface. You can manage your entire business from the Claude website or Claude desktop, even Claude on your phone. It connects to all your different apps, including Go High Level. It's absolutely insane what Claude can do now. So you can legitimately grow a one-person business now just selling digital and affiliate products. You don't want to make your own digital product like I just did, take a little bit of time, no worries. There's affiliate products out there, and a lot of you guys know, if you've been watching this channel, I'm big on affiliate marketing. I love selling products that already exist and making money that way. But that is literally it. It is not difficult to grow and scale an online digital business nowadays at all. You don't need skills. You don't need a background in tech. You don't need any of that stuff. You just need to know exactly what system you need to build and how to build it. It helps if you know a thing or two about a specific topic like fishing, dancing, doesn't matter what it is, and you can build your own digital marketing empire without ever showing your face online. Now, Claude actually has way more features than what I just showed. I mean, this thing is insanely powerful nowadays. And at the time of this recording, I actually have a Claude workshop coming up pretty soon in a few weeks here. So you can actually buy a ticket down below in the description. I'm going to do a live workshop for 2 hours where I'm going to go through step by step, showing you everything Claude can do to build out the system, to build you the products, to build you the funnels, to run everything in the business in the background so that you can have a business that you can run in like an hour a day max, not even. You never have to hire employees. Everything is profit. It's all digital. There's no overhead, and you can run this as a side hustle next to your main income until eventually, if you want to just quit your main income and make this your full-time income, that's what I did. You can legitimately do that now from zero, beginner, all the way to 10, 15, 20K per month. So I'm going to give you the prompts that we use down below so you can start messing with it. And if you come to the workshop, I'm going to give you prompts. I'm going to give you all kinds of exclusive stuff that is only for people at the workshop. So sign up for the workshop down below. I'll see you there. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.